Hi, I'm personal injury attorney Scott DeSalvo, and in this video I'm going to share with you the 3 things you absolutely have to do if you or a loved one has been involved in a pedestrian accident. So stay tuned. Hi guys, welcome back. If you or anyone you know has been involved in a pedestrian accident in Chicago, meaning that they were crossing the street, on a sidewalk, crossing a driveway, or in a parking lot, and they got hit by some motor vehicle, a car, truck, motorcycle, you probably have lots of questions. But there are 3 things you have to do to protect the value of your case. Most people don't know these things and they hurt their case before they even realize what they did. Doing these 3 things can literally mean the difference between winning your case and losing your case. So good for you for watching this video. So the first thing I always have people do in pedestrian accidents is be clear about exactly where it happened. This is so important. I get calls from people all the time who don't remember or didn't take note of where exactly they were standing when they got hit. Were you in a crosswalk, crossing the street, or on a sidewalk, crossing a driveway? Ultimately, these cases are going to be evaluated by an insurance company or a jury, and where you were standing and exactly where it occurred makes a big difference in proving the case. The second thing you absolutely have to do in a pedestrian accident case in Chicago is make sure you have witnesses. I can't tell you the number of injured people who call my office and just didn't think to collect witness information. Why is witness information so important? In almost every pedestrian accident case I've ever handled, and there's been a lot of them, the insurance company coaches the other guy, the driver of the vehicle, to say that the pedestrian jumped out in front of the car, or that the pedestrian was standing or walking somewhere where pedestrians aren't allowed. Can you see how having a witness or 2 or 3 can really make a difference in establishing where exactly the accident happened? Always collect witness information, or if you're with a friend or family member when you get hurt, ask them to do it. It's really key to being able to prove what happened and where it happened. Finally, the third thing you have to do if you've been involved in a pedestrian accident is don't give a recorded statement to the insurance company. When a motorist hits a pedestrian, almost all of them are smart enough to call their insurance company right away, and then their insurance company calls the person who got hit. Why do they do that? Well, it's simple, really, if you think about it. They want to come to your house or have you come to their office or call you on the telephone with a tape recorder and record your version of events, record what you say happened. That doesn't sound too bad, right? Well, the problem is how they ask questions can lead to how a person answers them. The insurance company will probably ask you questions which are called leading questions. These are questions that are designed by the insurance company to lead you into an answer that is probably going to be bad for your case. If you think they're going to lead you into something that's good for your case, you better think again. See, insurance companies hire lawyers to prepare the questions for them to get people like you to say things you probably don't mean before you really have time to think about what the answer should be. I represent people all the time after they've already given recorded statements, and sometimes it's a problem. Sometimes it really limits the value of the case, and sometimes it blows the case out of the water. So whatever you do, don't give a recorded statement until you talk to an attorney who can advise you of your rights first. If you pay attention to these 3 things, your case will definitely be stronger. I hope this information helped you, and if you still have questions, I offer a free no-obligation consultation where I answer all of your questions. Just call my toll-free number, 888-HURT-318. That's 888-4878-318. I have operators standing by 24/7 to take your call. Or if you're not quite ready to talk to a lawyer, I've created an injury video, and you can click the link here and get a copy of the injury DVD delivered direct to your email. Same deal, completely free, no obligation. I hope this information helps you, and if you enjoyed the video, please click the like button below or the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.
If you've been hurt, insurance treating you mean, call 888-HURT-318.